Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So if you're into dungeons and monsters, then you might want to consider taking a look at this beautiful stuff that folks at Humble Bundle have put together that has to do with some printable stuff that are high quality and super cool. So whether you like to print with resin, PLA, or possibly any other material that is out there and you're looking for something that is super awesome and you're looking for beautiful characters that you can print, then this is definitely something that you should consider getting. Currently, this comes with 117 items and it is valued at 671.26 euros, but of course you can get all of them for 18 euros. And for those who like to get this, then link to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Meanwhile, all 117 items are totally available. Like, just look at how much stuff you'll be getting for that price point. I mean, even if you're thinking about using these to build some stuff within your scene, or maybe you just want to print some cool stuff that you can have, then this is also available. It's also worth mentioning that these comes as zip files when you're downloading them, and we've just downloaded a couple of them, which will also show you guys the kind of quality of stuff that you'll be getting once you choose to get it and prepare them for rendering or for printing. And with Blender simply open up right here, we're going to take a look at some of these files, and since they're STL and Blender supports drag and drop, let's drag and drop that in. So once we drag and drop in the first one, you can notice that we have all of these that are all supports for printing. So this, I believe, is the hunter. So I'm just simply going to drag and drop in, and we can see this other one with the bear. And once this gets printed, I believe it's going to look super cool. And we can take a look at something else. I'm simply going to drag and drop in this other one. And if you like to simply work with the vertex, or probably you like to remove all of this support and use this maybe as an art piece for your animation or for your games, which of course will require you retexturing these or most probably using a procedural texture on them, then you can go in and start making those edits. So if we press the tab key and we go in, you would notice that these are things that you can simply get rid of, while these can simply stay intact. So in this case, we've selected these all the way out, and we can move these out, and of course you can now start creating whatever you want. Say for example, we would like to lose other parts, so we can simply right click, go all the way here, separate by selection, and that's it. So even if you don't want to print this, you can simply have access to this main file, modify it if you want, print it if you want, and then use it in your games or in your animations. Furthermore, if you would like to grab even more stuff that are right here, then of course you can definitely check the link in the description and see this. And recently we did talk about some very interesting stuff that folks at Blender Market alongside Humble Bundle are doing, and it is the Blender Market Essential Game Mode Toolkit, which is by far one of the best things I have seen for Blender artists right here on this market. So if you're still looking for high quality base meshes that you can work with, then you should definitely check these ones out. And you can also check out some of these cool add-ons that are right here. These are fantastic and amazing things that I believe you will definitely love to see. We're planning on making a couple of series about some of these things right here. So if there's any add-on that you'd like us to talk about, that you'd like to see in action, probably before you make a purchase, do tell us in the comment section and we'll do our best to make a video for that. These are currently valued at 1,430, but you can simply get them for 27 or 32.95. And if you're into Unreal Engine or Unity, then you might want to consider grabbing the Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle, which is currently running out in a couple of hours. If you also want to find more stuff for Unreal Engine, then the locked and loaded military asset bundle is also here. So tons of things for those who like to grab this. And of course, if you'd like to check on any of these things like we've mentioned, then links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.